6 natural motives that will keep you dreaming big. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of encouragement, wise words from a friend, an uplifting quote on Pinterest, or a mantra to get you through the day. When you set out to conquer the world and dream big, you're going to need motivation. What would you say if we told you that you didn't need to go out and find motivation, but that it'll come to you? Sound good? Keep reading about the 6 motives that will naturally keep you dreaming big. 1. Live purposefully. Often, when someone has a big dream, they're passionate about achieving it, not only for themselves, but for others. Maybe you want to make 6 figures in your business this year. Yes, so you can have a beautiful home and be able to travel, but also to share with causes you care about. Or perhaps your goal is to lose weight, so you have the energy to play with your kids. When you have your eye on the prize, your life suddenly has meaning. 2. Inspire. When you dream big, you inspire others to do the same, to reach their full potential. Imagine being a role model for people at the gym or at work. How about encouraging your children to dream bigger? No matter what your outcome, that would be a total win. 3. Success. Since dreaming is the first step to success, it stands to reason that dreaming big would lead you to even more triumphs. Accomplishments toward that one big goal stack on one another until you start seeing amazing results in other aspects of your life. The momentum of success leads to more of the same. 4. Eliminate bad habits. Dreaming big isn't the silver bullet for crushing those bad habits, but it naturally tends to occur when you dream big. When you're focused on your goal and are unwilling to be detoured by anything, you begin to notice the habits in your life that are slowing you down or holding you back. With a newfound reason to give them up, they fall by the wayside. 5. Prioritize self-awareness and self-care. Like eliminating bad habits that you see are getting in the way of reaching your dreams, you naturally start learning about yourself and taking care of yourself better. You understand that if you want to create your best life, you have to be in top form and learn how you work best. Rather than having to force yourself off the couch to journal, meditate, or hit the gym, you'll be motivated organically to do what it takes to keep you in the game.